Just tight squeeze.
Don't stop. Stop.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Navy Pier and we're gonna be exploring Navy Pier. They have the famous Centennial wheel over here. We are gonna be riding that Centennial wheel era. So we have Karen over here and we have a special guest today. We have my niece Serena. She was on one of my vlogs before, you know. Say hi.
What's good? What's good? What's good? What's up, vlog? How you been?
So yeah, it's been a while since she was on my vlog, so today was nice that she's here. So let's go, guys. Oh my gosh, there's like a long wait. Are we on the right lane?
Yes.
Okay.
16, I think.
Can I get... Oh. Hi, how can I help you? Hi, can I get 2 child, please? Sure, 2 dollars, please? I can help you right here.
Oh, what adult?
Okay, so the ride here is like $16 for each person, so I mean not bad, right? We're still waiting.
I don't think it's gonna take long.
It's actually not that much people. She got the bright idea. She's waiting, sitting over there while we fall in line. We're almost there.
How many?
3.
Okay, you go to station 3.
4. 3. Oh my gosh, this is scary. It's wiggly. It wasn't that bad. It was like, what, 5 minutes wait?
Like 10 at the most?
Yeah, it's not that bad. See, there's still a lot of people though. It's like the other day it was like snowing, and now it's like super sunny. Well, based on what you can see from the
You just sealed your
time
fate.
lapse. Oh dang, the door closed. Here we go. Alright guys. I'm just gonna shut my mouth now and then just enjoy this view. I think it moves a little bit and then it's stationary for like what, a few minutes, I guess.
30 seconds.
Like 30 seconds, you know, which is cool and really scary at the same time because you know, you don't know what's gonna happen. So how many turns is this?
2.
How many turns does it go?
What do you mean?
Okay, so right now it stops, you know, it was stopping for like a few seconds and then now it's like turning. This is our 3rd turn, I guess. Yeah, so we can have like a few minutes to take some cool pictures, right, guys? So which is cool. Alright guys, that wasn't bad, right? That's cool. Battery change. Yeah.
What? I film.
That's cool, guys, right? Is that Polaroid?
Yeah, it's an instant camera.
Oh yeah, those are those instant cameras, like, you know, Polaroid. It's cool. Alright guys, we're done here in Navy Pier. Navy Pier, whatever you call it. But this moving wheel right there.
Can you take my picture here?
Alright, sure, just give me one
I
second.
hate you.
Peace up, A-Town. Yeah,
So guys, we are done here in Navy Pier, as I was saying earlier. We're gonna go to Willis Tower, Sears Tower. I don't know, where is it? Can't see it from here. Where it's called the Skydeck, I think. Wherein you can see the skyline, like, from over there. We're trying to figure out if we can walk from here to Willis Tower. So we're just trying to figure it out. Alright guys, change of plans. It's kind of getting cold, so we're probably gonna just drive over there. It's not wise. It's getting cold. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we asked the taxi driver of how much to go over there, and it's like $15. If we're gonna go there with the taxi and then come back here, you know, it's too expensive. Just gonna take the car and then just find a parking spot. That's the plan for now.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose through.
First.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. You guys don't know, it's really cold outside. Guys, so this is cool. We actually found a parking space. It's only for $10. It's a valet parking. It's just for $10 until they close. So they close like 1 in the morning. So that's good. Skydeck is actually just right there. Right there, guys. So guys, you can't beat that, right? Good.
They never get me.
Yes, finally, we're here. Welcome. Not that much people here. That's cool, guys. So you can have a souvenir picture of you here in Skydeck. It's cool.
Make sure your eyes aren't closed.
Oh yeah. That was a fail. You had one job. And we're still walking. What the heck? It's a long walk.
Four retractable platforms in the area that extend over 4 walking in midair.
Watch we get up there and it's cloudy.
Don't say that. And this is like a maze. What the heck?
Okay, your ears are gonna start.
Welcome to the Skydeck. You're on your way to the top of the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere.
Oh yeah.
Along
Cool.
the way, you can watch as we pass by some of the tallest buildings, monuments, and structures in the world. The Skydeck will only take about a minute and a half. That means your
What'd she
elevator
say?
is traveling at the west antenna reaches 1,730 feet above the Chicago streets. We're now passing 850 feet and San Francisco's Transamerica Pyramid. 970 feet and the Yokohama Landmark Tower, Japan's tallest building. 1,062 feet and Paris's stunning Eiffel Tower, completed in 1889.
They don't count my hair.
Okay, so we're here. Dang. I can feel my ears popping like on the way up. That was crazy. So guys, here we are. How high are we?
Yeah. Roughly 1,350 feet.
Guys, that's crazy. What the heck?
What if I put a rubber snake on your dining room table?
It's 1,353 feet. Dang.
Skydeck. We hope you enjoyed your time at the top and the best view. We hope you had a wonderful time here at Skydeck. And we hope to
Dang,
see
great
you
power
next time.
Began with a view of Part 1. Makes me feel I belong to something.
Bus, guys. Oh, never mind. Wrong bus. Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna be ending the vlog here because we are hungry. We haven't eaten in like, what, for 6 hours now. So we're gonna get something to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you did enjoy this vlog guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.